Nothing gives me more pleasure. No, that's it. Nothing gives me more pleasure. So you may or may not be aware that Nothing recently announced a new sub-brand called CMF by Nothing, bringing you some beautiful, affordable tech gadgets. First up, we've got this 65-watt GAN charger. I love it. And these awesome looking Buds Pro. And what I'm most excited about is this, the new Watch Pro. And here we go, look at these big boy bad boys. This is their Watch Pro, and as you can see, you've got your old swipe across for your data and all your analytics for your heart rate and all that kind of stuff. Lovely looking, eh? And then you've got the Buds Pro just in the case like that, charging case. Lovely bold colours. Yeah, what more could you ask for? Let me just have a little comfy check. Yeah, it doesn't fall out. So there we have it, it's CMF by Nothing. What do you think? I'm going to use them, make the most out of it and get back to you. But yeah, check it out yourself. CMF by Nothing, game changing.